Digestion of the Human Body by John Noonan. Let's begin, shall we? First thing is taking a bite of the apple. Next is the beginning of an amazing process. The teeth are part of the mechanical process of digestion, and the saliva is part of the chemical digestion. The enzyme in saliva called amylase breaks down the chemical bonds in the apple. The apple pieces go down the back of the throat called the pharynx. The apple then passes into the esophagus. The peristalsis are muscles that are responsible for moving food through the esophagus into the stomach. This process takes a matter of about 5 seconds. The apple pieces enter the stomach and continue digestion of the apple. The stomach contains glands that produce hydrochloric acid, and it helps to break down the apple even more. The stomach's 3 muscle layers churn and mix the swallowed apple pieces. This process breaks down the apple even more and allows enzymes greater access to the food. The apple turns into a mixture of enzymes, and partially digested food called chyme passes through the phloic valve into the small intestine. The next step of digestion is the apple entering the small intestine. The small pieces of the apple enter the duodenum. The apple pieces mix with enzymes and digestive fluids from the pancreas and the liver. Once the small intestine has completed the digestive process, nutrients must be absorbed from the alimentary canal. Most nutrients from the food are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine. The apple leaves the small intestine and enters the large intestine and is the final step of digestion. Here it absorbs water, several vitamins, and the rest of any nutrients, and the rest is eliminated from the body. And this is the amazing digestion of the human body.